Hey guys, it's Des. Here with my cousin, here with me, here with my brother. I'm eating. A lot of people are gonna get these days.
I can do a floss.
Do the floss.
Well, that's not a floss. That's me. This is how you do a floss.
Auntie.
No,
Me.
this.
Auntie. Me. Auntie. Me. Auntie. Me. Auntie. Me. Auntie.
Look
Me.
at me. Look at me. I'm gonna do some exercise.
Auntie. Me.
My mom didn't say I got to eat because
Ate half a plate.
I already ate.
I don't like this. It's trash.
Let me go get it.
Slurp, slurp. Watch me slurp. Brother. Come on, brother. Come on, brother.
Yeah, I want to be here. Okay?
I gotta see, I don't have no suspenders. I do got a little outfit for you.
Oh my god!
And you need a hair. And you need a
Let me stop being acting crazy, bro. I'm weird, bro. I swear.
And you need to smoke and then you put in your mouth like this.
Well, brother,
Abby, watch this.
I don't care.
Watch this. Oh, this is Ollie.
Please hit the notifications. I don't know how much I'm gonna YouTube channel. Dude!
Take back there, y'all.
Little dude! I'm gonna put my P4.
Now time to get
I'm gonna be.
It's back there, y'all.
But I'm gonna put my PS4 in the next video.
Twist close. That'll be right there.
Bye!